All right, everybody, let's do some vocabulary. We are on class 6, which is chapter 10 of Basics of Biblical Greek, going through the different vocabulary options. And this is our third declension noun chapter, so we're going to see some third declension nouns pop up, which I'll comment on when they do. Let's get going. A, if. A, may. Except or if not. Hace, mia, hen, all different ways to say one. These are important to pay attention to, particularly, so hace, you know the word ace with a smooth breathing mark, which means into, and you know n with a smooth breathing mark, which means in. If they have rough breathings, they mean one. So pay attention to those. Make sure you memorize these. Almost every student confuses these a few weeks down the line when they show up in context. They'll think one is the other one, or they'll flip-flop them, and so make sure you spend some time with these. A day, now or already. Ta anima, name or reputation. Remember, there's a tau on the end that drops off in this form, but this is a third declension noun. Udes, udemia, uden, all different ways of saying no one, none, or nothing. Notice we've learned ook before as our negative. Notice that omicron, upsilon, that oo sound, the not, the no shows up in those words. Those can be hints for you about what those mean. Anytime you see that, particularly starting off a word, it's going to be key to tell you that it's some sort of a negative. Pas, pasa, and pon. These are each and every. If it's plural, it's all. But this is masculine, feminine, and neuter right across the way there. Pas, pasa, and pon. Peri. With the genitive, it means concerning or about. And with the accusative, it means around. And remember, these preposition words, when they can change their meaning based on what case they're working with, make sure you spend some time with these. Make sure you make separate vocabulary cards if that's what you're doing, so you learn the difference between these two. He sarx means flesh, or it can mean body as well. Put sarkos on there, the genitive, just to show you that we have a combination of letters forming a new letter here with the kasi. When the kappa and the sigma come together, they become a xi here. So don't forget that happens. So that's why we put genitive on here. This third declension, genitive kind of looks nominative, doesn't it? So don't get confused about that. It's a feminine noun. Ta teknon, child or descendant. Tis, with the accent mark, means who, what, which, or why. This is the interrogative pronoun that I encourage you to memorize the paradigm for this one because it comes up so much. Lots of these questions, these interrogatives being used, but make sure you notice that it has the accent mark there with the iota in the middle. Because this one here does not. The exact same word, it's going to break down and conjugate, and the paradigm is going to be exactly the same, with the exception of the accent mark. This one means someone, something, a certain one. Like a certain man was going from Jerusalem to Jericho, that kind of thing, okay? So without the accent mark, it means someone, something, a certain one. With the accent mark, it means who. It's the interrogative. All right? Good job. You now know over 100 words in Greek if you're up to date. 102 words, 56.94% of the New Testament. We are plugging right along, making good progress. Keep practicing, friends. We'll talk to you soon.